Welcome back to the channel. Today we are breaking down the AWS certification paths. Whether you are a beginner or a cloud pro, AWS has certification that fits your career goals. So let's jump in. Amazon Web Services certifications are structured across 4 different levels: foundational, associate, professional and specialty. And each certification targets different skills and roles, helping you build your expertise in the cloud. So let's start with the basics first. At the foundational level, we have AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. This is perfect for anyone who is just getting started or for non-technical roles. It's an overview of AWS cloud basics, services, pricing and core security concepts. With this certification, you will gain a solid understanding of cloud concepts and how actually the AWS cloud works, making it a great foundation if you are exploring cloud for the first time. The next step is associate level, which has 3 certifications: Solution Architect, Developer and SysOps Administrator. The first one is AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. This certification is all about designing and deploying cloud systems. You will learn how to create secure and robust solutions for AWS environments. It's a great option if you are looking to get into cloud architecture and want a hands-on approach to building and optimizing cloud solutions. Then we have the AWS Certified Developer Associate. This is for those with a coding background who want to build and maintain applications on AWS cloud. You will cover topics like debugging, deployment and monitoring. It's perfect if you are interested in app development and want to dive into AWS development tools. Finally, there is the SysOps Administrator Associate. This certification focuses on managing and monitoring AWS systems with topics like operational management, troubleshooting and data security. This certification is ideal for those wanting to explore cloud systems run smoothly and securely. Now let's move to the professional level. In the professional level, this certification is for those with advanced experience and want to tackle more complex challenges in their day-to-day life. There are 2 certifications here: Solution Architect Professional and DevOps Engineer Professional. The Solution Architect Professional is an advanced certification for those who want to design complex cloud solutions. It covers advanced architecture principles, security, and high-level designs. If you are looking to become an expert in cloud architecture, this is the certification to aim for. Now the next is DevOps Engineer Professional Certification. This one is all about automation, continuous delivery, and improving system reliability. You will dive into managing deployments, monitoring, and optimizing AWS operations. So basically, this certification is experienced DevOps professionals who want to drive efficiency and reliability in the cloud. Now, AWS also offers specialty certification that target specifics in-depth and networking, security, and machine learning topics. For instance, the AWS Certified Security Specialty is all about securing your cloud environment. It covers data protection, identity management, and compliance. If you are in cybersecurity or want to specialize in protecting cloud data, the certification is for you. This certification is for you only. Then there is a machine learning specialty certification, which is perfect if you want to design, implement, and maintain machine learning models on AWS cloud. With this certification, you can leverage AWS tools to bring AI and machine learning to life. And there is this advanced networking specialty certification, which covers complex network architecture and management on AWS cloud. This certification is great for those focused on cloud networking. So, to recap, AWS has certification for everyone, from beginners to experienced cloud specialists. Start with Cloud Practitioner for the basics and gradually move on to Associate for hands-on roles, Professional for advanced expertise, and specialty certifications to focus on specific skill roles. Which certification you are most interested in? Whatever certification you are most interested in, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for all things in cloud. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.